Hey, Miss Kitty, look at me. What are you doing in here with these dogs? Do you love them? Huh? Do you love them babies? Huh? That's my Miss Kitty. There's Dora. Harry's gone and she can't play with nobody anymore. Harry, my kitty's gone. Where you going? Where you going, Miss Kitty? That dog's gonna chew your face off. That dog's gonna chew your face off. Yes, she is. That's Samantha's Dora. Yeah, it is. Let her alone, guys. Let her eat. Poor Miss Kitty. She's gonna get her nose eat off. Don't think she liked that very much, did you, Miss Kitty? No, them old dogs are mean. Them old dogs are mean. You want out? Okay.